You have the gorgeous June. June looking stunning. What are you loving about this saree?
Firstly, it's very Rekha, and you know I have a hangover. I can't look beyond Rekha since my childhood days. Ever since I set my eyes on Umrao Chan, it's been Umrao Chan forever. And what I like about it is that you know you can wear it like you can bar dress with it, like I've done right now. It's been draped on my denim with boots and pearls, and you can wear any color blouse. You can wear a bolero, you can wear a shirt, you can wear a jacket, you can wear any kind of jewelry with it, and yeah, I mean the saree speaks for itself. You don't even need to dress it up. You can just wear this and go anywhere, and you'll still be standing out. So I think this is very nice, and this is by this designer, is a young fellow, Saurabh Das, who's from Hyderabad. He's a Probashi, but I think this is a sari blouse you need to wear. I love the color. It's really nice.
So this is what I meant, like you know, dressing it up.
And he spends most of his time in Tokyo. So whatever you see here is all the technique. He's learned the technique of dyeing in Tokyo, and he works in Tokyo. They're actually from Shantiniketan, and these are all like very, Japanese. The cuts, and they're gorgeous. I think they're so wearable, breathable. It's perfect for Calcutta and Indian summers. And the beauty of it is the dye. Eta horituki na?
It's a lotus.
So traditional Kanpasha, which is in brocade and done. See, it's Jardozi. It's not gold. It's Jardozi and handcrafted. And then the significance of this piece is that you can just you know, like there's a hook, so you can just take this off and just wear it as a choker, or you can just kind of wear it. And yeah, again, you can just wear it with your western outfit, you can wear it with a sari, you can just wear it with a spaghetti and a denim and just walk out. You know, I'm 54 years old, and initially when I was young, I used to have these terrible mental blocks, and I used to feel that no, you can't wear this with this, and you have to be traditional, and you have to be like, you know. But now, when you know, I've evolved as a person, and I feel that you can wear anything and everything, and you just need to be happy. And if you feel like dressing up, you should just dress up and just leave the house, because it's your life, it's your, you know, what you want to wear and how you want to feel. That's all that matters, and that's what I've realized. I got these, and they are stunning, because once you wear them, people will ask you where you got them from, because I know, I've experienced this. And then again with this, they are a statement on its own. So once you put one, you're done. You don't need to do anything else. You don't even need to wear lipstick sometimes, because they kind of attract, you know. This is cute. So this is like, again, Orissa theke, Katake, filigree.
This is silver.
Yeah, silver. And what I like about is that, you know, that they're keeping these art alive, because if they don't, if designers don't these days, then they'll fade away, and then there'll be no one left to do. Creating it again. These Amadir Thakuma, Mahara used photo, they are kind of reviving. Yeah. She's already booked. So I have a doll from Nairobi. She wears a kaftan, and she has a juti over here, and she sits on my dressing table. So Frida is going to be a friend, and yeah, if you think that I still play with dolls, yes I do, and I'm not ashamed, because I love them.